My name is Pritam Mungse. I am Director of Product Security at SoFi. We are a national bank offering a lot of financial products. So we have to adhere with a lot of regulations and requirements like PCI DSS or federal regulations from our bank regulators. And our team is responsible for ensuring the security of all the business products that we have, the data that we collect, and making sure that we are building the trust with our members that we are a safe and secure bank to work with.
My name is Zachary Schulze, and I am an application security engineer at SoFi. My team is responsible for a lot of the day-to-day code reviews, application security. When you're creating data on a daily basis, is how can you detect when you become out of compliance or when data is being stored in a way that doesn't meet your internal requirements?
I sometimes joke around data is like water. It flows into nooks and crannies of your organization, different places that you're not expecting or even knowing about. It's not very easy sometimes. Very specific set of data could be under part of your regulations. Let's say PCI is very specific to credit card information versus banking regulators are looking at all of the financial information, or some of the privacy regulations are looking at PII.
So understanding the information teams are storing in maybe this Postgres database, but also storing in this S3 bucket and being able to identify those and classify those, that's been such a valuable asset to us.
This is where the true data risk platform capabilities from Sentra are useful for the organization, not just looking at classification as one single issue to solve for.
So it actually helps us refine access to certain data stores and data types. Since the classification is so accurate, since it's providing a lot of metadata and context, it's great because it ends up being less false positives that I have to look into and less tuning that I have to do.
Every organization is different, and we were very quickly able to add customizations in data classification specific to our requirements, our needs, and pair that up with the existing out-of-the-box detections. Even that one single element somewhere hidden in an obscure PDF document is something we were able to identify with the help of Sentra.
It's allowing me to use my time more efficiently because I look at an alert, I already have all the data I need to take action. I know who owns it. I know the data classification. I know the data asset and the data store that relates to it.
So having something like this is super important, because if you see SoFi or any of fintech, we are moving at the speed of light. There is change every day. All of these use cases are super important because we are agile, we are changing, and still we are able to keep our visibility ongoing.